Raya Eden here, doTERRA Wellness Advocate with my Eden Purity account, and I'm also a certified essential oil coach and health coach. I wanted to show you today how you can use your free product points that you have with doTERRA. If you take part in their incredible loyalty rewards program, you earn free points each month you order that you can then turn around and use for free products. And I wanted to show you how you would go by doing that. You have two options. You can go ahead and use those free points on your scheduled loyalty rewards order. Right here, I have 123 free points to use. So I could go ahead and order, for example, this one with the points. So you just choose one right there and it'll deduct the 10 PV off my points. I can do grapefruit. The collection I cannot use them on, or the supplements, but several other things I could just load up my cart with 120 PV product points and just keep choosing. I can use as many points as I want. On this particular order I wanted to show you too, I will earn an additional 52 points that I can use for free products. So if you don't have your doTERRA Loyalty Rewards Program order yet, I highly recommend that you do, because it's absolutely the cheapest way you can purchase doTERRA products. You can purchase your non-toxic health and wellness products for your family to keep yourself and your family healthy at below wholesale pricing. The wholesale pricing is already an incredible value. If you have your own doTERRA account, you save 25%, but on top of that you will get below a wholesale pricing by being able to utilize these points, and also by being able to purchase things like the Lifelong Vitality Pack, which is their incredible vitamin package. And if you order that monthly, you get to add additional products at incredible value. This deep blue right here alone, if I were to purchase it by itself, is $59.50. But because I'm purchasing it as part of the loyalty rewards along with the Lifelong Vitality Pack, is only $20. So I'm saving $30. This particular one is also over $30, I believe, in price. So just between these two products, by having my loyalty rewards program in place, I save $30–40 right there off the bat. And on top of that, I get points back. You increase the points every 3 months. You start off at 10%. Unless you started with one of the larger starter kits, which allows you to start earning points at a higher level, and you earn them up to 30%. So I personally get 30% back. So right here, once this order ships, I get 52 product points to use up again, but at a later time. But here's one way you can use them as part of your loyalty rewards order, or you can go ahead and place a create a new one-time order, and you just add the products that you want. Let's say I want to do Claricom. Let's say I want to do Aroma Touch, and I want to do Digestion. I go to my cart, review my one-time order. It'll show how many points I have right here. I have this many points, 123, so I can go ahead and choose right here and use the points, and right there. So essentially this entire order will now cost me, instead of what is this, almost $100 worth of products when I'm using my points. It will oh, I didn't take those points off. How weird. Hold on, I was moving too quickly. Sorry, my computer is a little slow. Okay, so this over $90 order is now costing me $3 for the point redemption, and then for the shipping, which is going to be $3.99. So for $6, I get to use my reward points, and I get to order all these products for free. So you can change these to be whatever you want it to be. This was just an example of how I can cash in on my points and get all these products for free, essentially, just for a minimal fee of $3, and then the shipping another $3, which I will get back in points right here. So I'm using 81 points, and I still have 42 points left over to shop for free products. So this is definitely hands down the cheapest way to purchase your doTERRA products. If you don't have your own doTERRA account yet, and you don't have your loyalty rewards order set up yet, all you do is go to mydoterra.com/RheaEden. It's REIJAEDEN, and you can get started that way. You can watch one of my videos too that shows you how to get started with doTERRA, and I will provide you extra support and training on how to use the essential oils and other products and why you would want to use them. And I also send an additional welcome package to all my clients. Thanks so much for here, and then you would just go proceed to checkout or continue shopping, and then your order goes through. Thank you so much for joining in today. Please don't hesitate to contact me if you have any questions about doTERRA essential oils, getting started with essential oils. What can you do to make sure that your family is healthier? What can you do that yourself are healthier? If you have any current issues with lack of energy, having trouble sleeping, etc., please don't hesitate to contact me. Thank you so much, and I'll hope to see you next time.